Hey guys, welcome back. Super quick update here. I wanted to make a quick video showing a few tweets that I have been posting recently. The reason I'm making a video about this is because most of you here on YouTube don't follow me on Twitter for some reason. So I wanted to put all these tweets together for you here on YouTube because, you know, I get a lot more views on YouTube, so I think people will be interested. So guys, if you want to be up to date, follow me on Twitter because I do a lot of updates here. When there's something that it's not worth making a full video about it, I just share the chart with some explanation here. So anyways, I made a poll. This is regarding market sentiment. I wanted to talk in this quick video about market sentiment and how it's shifting now. It was extreme bearish 1 month ago. And it's starting to shift from bearish to neutral and even starting to be on the bullish side. It's not super bullish as most people believe, but I think it's starting to shift now from bearish to neutral and maybe starting to be a little bit too bullish. So I made this poll 20 days ago, more or less the 5th of April. And well, you can see here 64% voted for suckers rally and only 36% voted for bull markets. I repeated this poll yesterday. You can see here the sentiment was extremely bearish. I repeated this with different words, but it more or less means the same. And this time only 11% voted sucker rally. Okay, so this doesn't mean that the sentiment is super bullish, because if you realize this other option that says here, man, I missed the bottom, it's only 21%, so it's the second smallest one. So I read this more like neutral market sentiment. There's some bullish, some bearish, and a lot of people that have no idea what's going on. So I see it more as neutral, maybe starting to lean a little bit more in the bullish side. So pay attention to this, guys. You know, in my YouTube channel, I pay a lot of attention to market sentiments, and I think this is an indicator that it's very, very important to be paying attention all the time. So pay attention. It's starting to shift now. It's not as bearish as it used to be anymore. So that's one thing. And then a chart of Bitcoin that I shared just 3 hours ago. This is the weekly chart, and I was saying here that there's sell orders at the 50-week moving average. This is the blue moving average here. That's why it took forever to break above it, which was 5,500, the price of Bitcoin. And this is why we are rejecting now. Honestly, I would have expected a lot more selling pressure at the 50-week moving average. You can see we had selling pressure here before even touching it. We got rejected. Like in this fashion here, we got rejected at the 20-week moving average. Even before it touches it, it gets extremely rejected. This means that there's a lot of sell orders for the moving average. There's a lot of people wanting to dump on the, you know, on these strong moving averages. Same thing happened here a couple of weeks ago or 3. It got rejected badly, but 2 weeks after we were trying again and we actually went above it. So we had a big sell order. I think it was a few hours ago or maybe yesterday. We had this like this breakdown. You could see it better on the hourly chart. So yes, we do have sell orders at the 50-week moving average, which is expected, but I would have expected to have bigger orders than that. So what I'm saying here in this tweet is that it's normal that we are rejecting. So there's sell orders there, but if we can, you know, if we manage to break above the 50-week moving average in the coming days or weeks, not immediately, but if we keep pushing here and we manage to break above this moving average, then 6K, it's probably gonna be the next consolidation level for BTC. Because yeah, as I said, I would have expected a heavy rejection here and huge spikes of red volume. We haven't seen this. So this is a more zoomed in chart. This is the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin, which I shared on Twitter as well 5 hours ago. So you can see what I was telling you here. This long red candle was exactly when the price touched the 50-week moving average and it got rejected. It means there were there were some big orders there. However, this doesn't look like breakdown volume. It means it's not like well orders, right? It's not like people have sell orders set there for, you know, for $1 million to sell, you know, $1 million of Bitcoin at that price. No, these are, decent size orders. It's pushing the price down. However, it's not like well volume orders here. So what I'm trying to explain here is that yes, the market sentiment is shifting now. It's not as bearish anymore. However, on the charts, there's no signs yet that this is going to be a trend reversal. Only would be a trend reversal if we start seeing breakdowns with massive spikes of red volume. Then yes, then you can anticipate a trend reversal, because you could anticipate that there's actually wells dumping at that price, dumping at the 50-week moving average. This could happen. This could come anytime out of nowhere. We could see it happening. So far, it's not happening. So far, consolidation means continuation. So for now, the safest bet is assume continuation, consolidation, and eventually breaking the upside. I think 6K is still the most likely for now. It doesn't have to happen today or tomorrow, but until I don't see huge spikes of red volume here and breakdowns in price, I'm gonna continue to assume continuation until I'm proven wrong. So that was a quick update. Thank you very much for watching. Follow me on Twitter to be up to date, and or if not, on my free Telegram channel, which is linked below. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.